Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 14 to 20, 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see what's coming to you this week. Cancer, let's see. Serendipity. Wow. So, merong mga bagay na maggaganap ngayong week na to na kung saan naka-align siya sa iyong destiny. So, whatever this is at nararamdaman mo na ah, binibigyan ka ng mga signs ng universe. Let's say, for example, meron ka in-applyan na trabaho. Tapos, meron ka pang ibang opportunity na gusto ring subukan. Pero, yung in-applyan mong trabaho, yun yung nagre-respond or yun yung merong resulta. So, it means na you're being led to that kind of job, no? Instead dun sa iba mo pang plano. You're being directed to your destiny. Okay? And this is, ito yung simula ng pag-angat mo. Mm-mm. Ang clover leaf kasi, it symbolizes good luck. So, whatever you're going to pursue ngayong week na to will bring good luck. Ayan, may decision making ka, fork in the road. Maraming mga nakikialam sa'yo sa mga decision mo. But, ang importante rito is pag-isipan mong maigi yung pagpili, no? Kasi syempre, kapag nagawa mo na yan, nakapag-decide ka na, there's no turning back, andyan na, kumbaga, hintayin mo na lang yung resulta, di ba? But of course, kahit na maraming mga options sa paligid mo, isipin mo pa rin kung saan in alignment yung iyong mga plano. Okay? Para mas maging madali for you. And of course, use your instinct, your intuition, your discernment para makapag-decide ka ng best for you. Okay? Ayan. Imagine, you're going to use your creativity. Mas magiging, ka ngayon, malikhain. Ngayong week na to. I feel like meron kang pangarap sa buhay na gusto mo talagang makuha. Oo. So, meron ka na namang parang inaabot dito. Na merong synchronicity rito. Lahat to nakahawak sa tali na nandun sa taas. So, yung isa, umaangat na siya. Yung isa, nasa baba pa siya. Pero alam niya na meron siyang magandang kapit doon sa moon. Moon, it symbolizes your dreams, your hopes, your instinct, your intuition. So, I think the more na kumukonect ka sa instinct mo, sa intuition mo, sa gut feel mo, yun, dun ka mas mapapabuti. Kasi 'di ba pag may decision making tayo, minsan hindi maintindihan ng iba yung pinili natin. Pero kasi alam natin na yun yung makakabuti sa atin. Deep within us. So you're going to be very creative. Let's see what else. Your overall energy for this week. King of Pentacles. Very productive kayo ngayong week na to. Some of you, maaring magiging stable yung inyong trabaho, yung career path ninyo, yung business ninyo. Maari ring merong leadership role for you ngayong week na to, or mas isa-celebrate ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo dahil sa iyong magandang pamumuno, no? So, kung iba sa inyo kayo ay leader, OIC, or you're someone na merong katungkulan sa trabaho, sa inyong business. So, things are going to be well and good, especially in your finances, sa iyong career. Let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge? Page of Swords. So, as a challenge, maaring merong mga taong parang gusto nilang malaman what's going on with your life, kung bakit nagiging successful ka ngayon. Maari kasing nakikita nila yung nagiging pagbabago sa lifestyle mo, sa pananamit mo, sa mga activities mo. Yung iba, nagiging curious sila. So, minsan may mga magme-message sa'yo dyan, kakamustahin ka, hindi dahil para mangutang, no, kundi para makibalita kung kumusta ka na. Kasi maaring you've been posting updates about your success. Oo. Kaya lang, ingat sa mga evil eyes. If you are, kung ikaw ay nag-aaral, maaring maging challenge sa'yo yung pagbabalanse mo ng oras at panahon sa pag-aaral mo at sa pagtatrabaho or business. Pag-aaral hindi lang naman sa college yan, no? Or kung ano pa man. Pwede rin tong researching, online learning, diba? So, your opportunity, Knight of Swords. Meron kang opportunity na matapos ang isang task ng napakabilis. Kasi this is a fast energy. So, kung meron kang plans na ma-accomplish mo ang maraming bagay for this week, yes, you can accomplish that. Your blessing is the Ace of Swords. This is a new beginning coming in for you. New beginning sa iyong trabaho, sa business mo, sa career mo, even sa relationship. Kasi this can also mean merong magre-reach out, may magme-message sa'yo, you will receive a message from someone. It's good news kasi blessing siya sa'yo. Let's see kung ano-anong mga areas of life to. Third house, this is about your learning, your pwede rin tong career path mo, especially if you are very creative. Oo. Let's see. And also, yung travel, short distance travel. Relationship din. Some of you, meron kayong good news from your person. So, pwedeng may magandang mangyayari or nangyari sa person mo. So, syempre, damay ka na rin doon. Or kung sino man na mahal mo sa buhay. Okay? So, let's see kung ano naman yung energy sa inyong kaperahan. Money, career, finances for Cancer. Two of Cups. May business partnership for some of you. Pwedeng may mag-offer ng business partnership or meron kang kakausapin about a certain project. Pwede rin sa workplace. If you are single, pwede rin merong person sa workplace mo na nagkakaroon ng interest sa'yo. But for some of you, this is about deals, no? Kung meron kang ka-deal ngayong week na to, this is going to be successful or meron kayong maayos na contract. So, for your love life, you have the Hermit and the Ten of Cups. Okay, so sa love life, I think mas magsuspend ka ng time with your family, with your loved ones. I think mas nare-realize mo ngayon na mas makakabuti na i-enjoy mo yung company nila, no, yung presence nila. Lalo na kung meron ka ng mga elderlies na mga kamag-anak, like for example, yung parents mo, tumatanda na, lolo, lola mo, kung sino man ang mga mahal mo sa buhay na you want to spend your time with. And yung iba sa inyo, mas magiging private kayo pagdating sa mga nangyayari tungkol sa family ninyo. You want to just keep it private. Ayan you're going to be very busy. Marami kang kakausapin. Yes, itong Saturn in Taurus in the second house. I feel like merong mga taong nayayabangan sa'yo or tipong parang hindi nila nagugustuhan yung mga pinapakita mong achievements sa kanila. Actually, depende na rin yan sa kung paano ito nakikita ng ibang tao Kasi kung maganda naman yung intentions mo for doing that, problema na nila yon, no? Kung bakit sila naiinggit. But I feel like there are some people na parang they're trying to question what's happening or parang nagtataka sila because of the changes in your lifestyle right now. Maaring meron ding hingi rito sa inyo ng tulong, lalo na't nakikita nila na, halimbawa ikaw, nakabili ka ng bagong sasakyan, may bago kang bahay, pagala-gala ka lang. So, parang isipin nila, ang daming pera ni Cancer So, utangan ko nga siya. Ganon. Okay, you also have peace. Just because some people are fueled by drama doesn't mean you have to attend the performance. Make your life a drama-free zone. So like what I mentioned kanina when it comes to your family, mas magiging private ka about your relationship with them, yung mga activities niyo together, mas intimate, mas private. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, umiiwas kayo sa drama sa buhay ko. So, kung may mga toxic na tao sa paligid nyo, iiwasan nyo yan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye!